Welcome back all of you. We already discussed about the rules for obtaining image formed by concave mirror and the convex mirror. Now we start with the formation of different types of image by a concave mirror. The type of image formed by a concave mirror depends on the position of the object in front of the mirror. Here the first condition, when the object is at infinity, that means the object is at a very large distance. The image formed at the focus and it is highly diminished. Highly diminished means much smaller than the object, and the image will be real and inverted. Now the second one is that when the object is beyond the center of curvature, the image is formed between center of curvature and that focus, and it is diminished, real and inverted. Here diminished means point size. The third one, when the object is at center of curvature and the image is formed at center of curvature, that is same as that center of curvature, and it is same size as the object, that means the size of the object and that image will be same, and it will be real and inverted. Fourth one, when the object is between center of curvature and focus, the image formed beyond C and it is enlarged, real and inverted. Fifth one, when the object is at focus and the image is formed at infinity, it is just opposite to that the image formed in that infinity case, first one, and it is highly enlarged, real and inverted. And the sixth one, which is the last case, when the object is between F and then P and the image is formed behind the mirror, it is enlarged, virtual and erect. That means the poles and in between that focus, the image always be formed behind that mirror, and that is why it is virtual image. Next is formation of image by a convex mirror. Here two conditions will be applied. The first one, when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at focus behind the mirror and it is highly diminished, virtual and erect. In every condition, virtual means you know that the image will be formed behind that mirror. The last one, when the object is between infinity and pole, the image is formed behind the mirror and it is diminished, virtual and erect. That means in the convex mirror, it will always form that virtual image.